Hello, my name is Kim Westbury, and I'm the first year Student Success Librarian, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Citing This and Cited in This features in Search at UW. We'll open up a web browser and go to the library's main web page. We'll sign into my Search at UW account. Once you sign in with your UW number, you can go to New Search up here at the top. And we'll just do a regular search. Today we'll be focusing on climate change. Once you do a search, you can click on an article and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here under citations, it says find sources citing this or sources cited in this. What this means, citing this, are other sources that are citing this source right here that we had clicked on. Cited in this are sources that this author, or these authors in this case, have cited that they used to create this article. This is really useful for when you find an article or a source that's very helpful towards your topic and you want similar sources to it. So we'll click, first let's click Citing This. And here are 3 sources on climate change that have cited this article that we just looked at. See, 2 of them you can already reach right away. And then this one you can always click the link here and then submit the form to request this article gets sent to you, and it'll get sent to your UW email account within a few days. Cited in this, we'll open this up. You see there are 52 results, so here are 52 sources that these authors used to write their paper. And these are also all on climate change. It's also good to note that even if this doesn't show up, as I'll show you here, such as this article, we go down here, it's not here. Even if that doesn't show up, you can still go in to the actual source and look at the author's references or works cited. So we'll go into this article and then we'll go all the way to the end of the article to where the authors listed their references. See right here are the references. So you can go through and type in or copy and paste in these titles to Search at UW to try to find them yourself. This is always a great place to find sources because they're related to the original source that you've been looking at. So once again, you click on an article and you scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says citations, and you can click on this citing this and cited in this. Thank you very much, and if you need any help, remember to ask a librarian.